In this video, I'm going to show you how to print from Drawboard PDF. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to all files over here, and of course, you want to select the file you would like to print. So I'm going to go ahead and just open up this one over here. There we go. And then you want to go to those three dots over here on the left-hand side, click on them, and then from here, it's going to say print. Now, click on print here, and it's going to say you can choose to print only pages containing annotations. I'm not going to do that because I want to print all the pages, and you can click on print, and it's going to pop up this printing wizard over here where you can basically select where you want to print. So we can select any of the printers on your computer. For example, if I want to select this HP printer, and then you'll be able to, of course, add a new one in case you don't see it over here. So we can connect the printer as well. Then you have to select your orientation, the copies, the amount of pages you want to print. So either it could be a custom range or just basically all the pages. You can select your paper size, your collection, and then if you want duplex printing, which basically means it can be printed on two sides or just one-sided, and then here you can of course select the quality as well, and then the automatic rotation if you wanna, and then scaling and some other things such as you can include annotations, show borders, show watermarks, etc. And if you want more settings, you can just click on more settings over here, and that's it. Now, after you've done it, make sure your printer is actually of course turned on and ready, and just click on the print button here, and this is going to print your PDF for you. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.